welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom environment for your render. In 2D mode of your project, click on File, go to Settings, and switch off Auto Baseboards. Now click on the Wall tool and draw a wall in front of your window where you want to apply your custom environment. Switch to 3D, go to Textures and upload your custom environment. Remember that it needs to be in PNG or JPEG file format. Now apply the image to the wall as you would apply a texture. Click on Take a Render, set your view, click on Take a Render, choose your resolution and click on Render. And this is how your finished render with custom environment looks like. Another way of adding your custom environment is by creating your custom surface in front of your window. For that, we will use the Create New Product tool. Draw a rectangle, give it some depth, click on Done. Now simply place it in front of your window and resize it. Click on Texture and upload the image of your custom environment. Apply the image on the product. You can use horizontal and vertical offset to set the view. Now simply go to Take a Render, set your view and your lighting. Choose your resolution and click on Render. This is another example of finished render with your custom environment. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.